Michigan. This part of the country stuff, they didn't use it for plowing and stuff, more for belt work, such as threshing machines and sawmills, grinders, stuff like that. You got a whistle on there, Tim? How about a whistle there, Toby?
Hi y'all, you're at the 13th annual Northwest Arkansas Train Show. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna just be railing you right around this place like you never seen before. And Tom DeGear is here also.
Usually on weekends, we're running 200 to 400 per day. Children would come in, watch for 30 minutes to an hour even. They were really having a good time with the train. had a volunteer that put together a scavenger hunt for us this year. Wants to know how many Christmas trees are in the display, how many Santas, on and on. Gave children a lot of time to look at it.
Oh, VFW Post 2203 has been putting on a Christmas program for the community, the children, and residents of the Mount Vernon Veterans Home for 18 years now. Oh, we estimate 80,000 plus lights in here if you count all the trees, all the ceiling, all the reindeer, the Christmas village. There's 30 buildings. Several years ago, we realized that we shouldn't forget those who never came home. So we added a tribute to all of the missing. And of course the bench here is where Santa Claus will be when the children come. And that fireplace with Santa's bag is where the presents will be retrieved by Mrs. Claus for Santa to give to the child. And of course Santa's sleigh and his entire team of reindeer, including Rudolph, came along for the occasion. And what's Christmas without the Polar Express? So we have O-scale train, HO scale train, G-scale train, three sets. Takes 3 weeks to put it together, probably 10 people a day for half a day for 3 weeks. Everything in here is an illusion. This whole setup is an illusion. And we use the trees so that you only see one thing at a time. It's a walk through winter wonderland.